Hey, what's up? How do you turn off irritating Windows 11 notifications? So you might be getting some notifications in Windows 11. Some of them are very irritating, very unnecessary. For example, you may be getting that is some updates from Chrome in your Windows 11. For example, there are some sites that you visited and those sites are sending updates through Chrome in your Windows 11. How can you be able to get rid of all those irritating updates? So all you need to do is you just need to open that is your Windows 11. That is your Windows 11. For example, you may realize that, for example, you are getting so many updates from Chrome and you don't need those updates, or those updates are irritating. So you just need to click this icon and go to settings. Then under settings we need to visit that is where we can go to get these notifications. And for example, we just need to click that is system and go to that is notifications. Then if, for example, you are getting those updates from Chrome, you can see notification from apps and other setters. If, for example, you are getting those updates from Chrome, you can just pause. For example, you can see in my case I have already paused all notification from Chrome. So for example, if you are getting so irritating updates from that is Microsoft Store, just need to deactivate. And for example, if it is you are getting, for example, in this case, I have so many updates that I normally get from that is wireless connection, for example, Wi-Fi. Actually, those updates you will find them here, but currently I think I have you can see, for example, if I happen to click date, I'll be able to see all the notifications that I normally receive. You can see, for example, I have wireless connection, that is updates, that is notifications. I also have a notification from wordpress.com. So in case I don't need these updates, so I just need to click here and click turn off. So I'll never receive any updates from the WordPress. So for example, if I also have these updates from WordPress, that is from wireless connection, and I don't want them anymore, so you just need to click there and go to turn off all notification from wireless. Just in case, for example, you want to take into account those notifications, you just need to click go to notification settings, and it will take you direct to that is you can see, for example, you have wireless. You can also be able to activate the wireless notification at this point, and you can also be able to hide content when notifications are on ROSC. You just need to click that point, this action button, and those that is notification will get deactivated. An alternative, you can just need to go to settings, to system, then go to notifications, and you want to see all applications that normally send you that is notifications so frequently. For example, you can see the WordPress which we just deactivated. We also have what you call the wireless notification. We also have Chrome. These are some of the apps that normally send me notification. So you can be able to disable those notifications from this point, because at times those that is notifications are very irritating. For example, if you deactivate Chrome, you may be getting those notification pop out every second, every minute, every hour, and at times they are very irritating. You may not be able to work, you may not be able to concentrate on something, so you need to pause them. So that is how you can be able to pause those irritating notifications that is in Windows 11. That's all we have for today, guys. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that you'll never miss any single updates from us. That's all we have for today, guys. Goodbye.